Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your first time seeing my gorgeous face. My name is Atsunuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look. Anytime I upload my hair video, I receive a lot of nice and beautiful comments like, I love your makeup is so beautiful. I love doing makeup also, but I think people watch my hair tutorial than my makeup look. But now I want to come back into doing a makeup video also when I receive a lot of nice comments from you all, because without your comments I can't keep going. You all have been so supportive, lovely comments. You have been showing me love, which I really appreciate that so much. So if you've not subscribed, can you please consider by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and please don't forget to like, comment and share with your loved one. So now let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to be using this concealer on my eyelid. So after that, I'm going to be blending the concealer out with a brush. After I finish blending the concealer out, I'm going to be taking this my setting powder, Sachs buttercup setting powder, just to set it a little bit. After I finish setting it, I'm going to be applying this my eyeliner in color brown. That is eyeliner gel, because I want the brown eyeshadow to really pop out, as in popping. So that is what I'm doing now. When I'm done applying my gel eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Magic by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette in that color brown. So I want the eyeshadow to really pop out, to stand out. So when applying the eyeshadow, do not rub, just tap on the eyeliner, because if you rub, the eyeliner is going to move and the eyeshadow is going to be messy. Just tap. Do you grab that? Tap. We want the eye to be pumping. During winter period, I don't use primer. This is what I always use. Any setting spray I want to use, I'll just spray it on my face. So I'll be using this Revolution fixing spray. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to be using this Tara foundation and this L.A. concealer in fawn. That is what I'm going to be using. I don't apply foundation on my face before I start applying my concealer. No. This is the key of the glam, as in when you just snap picture, your face is going to come out so good. The makeup won't be heavy, it won't be much, it won't be messy, as in I'm feeling myself. So now let's blend the concealer. The key is blending. Make sure you blend your makeup very well if you don't want to look like a masquerade. So don't worry, I joke too much. Make sure you blend. The key is blend. See, I took the foundation brush I used earlier, then I use it to blend everything together. You get the gist. So I'm going to be using this Sachs buttercup setting powder to set. I bake no more for a very long period. Just set. I just set it with hate. So I'll be using this MAC Studio Fix as my contour palette. That is what I use. I really love this MAC Studio Fix a lot to contour. I use it in NW55. That is what I use. It really as in, I've never used a stick contour before. I think it's just the same thing, you using contour stick or liquid, or you using a dark powder. It's just the same thing. If a beginner, I would advise you to use a powder as a beginner so that you won't mess your makeup up. So the same eyeshadow palette I use, that is the Magic by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be applying it towards the down of my eye. So that is my inner eye ray. Yes, inner eye ray or inner eyeliner. If I'm not correct, kindly please correct me. So I'm going to be applying my mascara. So I'm going to be using this Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter. That is what I'm going to be using to add some glow, as in we have to glow every day now. This was the lipstick I had in mind to go with this makeup look, but after applying this lipstick, it was not really bringing out the look in very well. So I have to apply another dark brown lipstick on it. So this is the final look. Oh my god, oh baby, oh baby. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your loved one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.